Which animal takes breath through their skin? Correct answer is option D, frog. Which is the eighth wonder of the world? Correct answer is option D, Angkor Wat Temple. Air contains maximum amount of which element? Correct answer is option C, nitrogen. Which animal's blood is most expensive in the world? Correct answer is option A, crab. Which animal was the first to go around the moon in spacecraft and return to Earth? Correct answer is option D, tortoise. In which country Statue of Liberty is located? Correct answer is option D, United States. Which planet in solar system is called as God of Beauty? Correct answer is option A, Venus. Which animal can see even with its closed eye? Correct answer is option B, camel. Which is the fastest fish in the world? Correct answer is option A, sailfish. Which is the second largest country in Asia continent? Correct answer is option C, India. Which sea animal blood is blue in color? Correct answer is option D, octopus. Christ is the Redeemer statue is located in which country? Correct answer is option B, Brazil. Which country has the longest coastline in the world? Correct answer is option C, Canada. Who is the first man to fly into space? Correct answer is option C, Yuri Gagarin. What is the height of Mount Everest in meters? Correct answer is option B, 8,848 meter. Which is the fastest rotating planet in our solar system? Correct answer is option D, Jupiter. Pink revolution is related with the production of. Correct answer is option C, onion. What is the color of the nitrogen gas? Correct answer is option D, colorless. Which fish can fly, swim, and walk on the land? Correct answer is option A, garnay fish. Which is the biggest island in the world? Correct answer is option D, Greenland. How many hearts does an octopus have? Please comment your answer.